Making money online has become one of the most realistic ways to improve your finances, build extra income, and create more flexibility in your life. And no, you do not need to be famous, go viral, or have thousands of followers to get started. Right now, regular people are earning from freelancing, virtual assistants, online selling, affiliate marketing, content creation, graphic design, remote support jobs, and many other online opportunities straight from home. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is chasing shortcuts and get-rich-quick trends that promise instant success. The truth is, most successful online earners started small. They focused on building one skill, finding one reliable income stream, and improving consistently over time. The internet rewards people who stay consistent, not just people looking for overnight results. If you are starting from zero, the best move is choosing something that matches your current skills and schedule. If you are organized, virtual assistants could work. If you enjoy creating content, social media management or video editing may be a good fit. If you are creative, graphic design or digital products can become profitable over time. The goal is not to do everything at once. The goal is to start with one thing and build from there. As your online income starts growing, managing your money becomes just as important as earning it. A lot of people focus only on making money, but completely ignore budgeting, tracking expenses, and understanding cash flow. That is where many side hustles fail. Keeping track of subscriptions, payments, tools, and profits helps you see what is actually making money and what is draining it. Even simple budgeting habits can make a huge difference long-term. Another advantage of making money online is the ability to create multiple income streams. Instead of depending on one paycheck, many people combine freelance work, online sales, affiliate income, or content revenue together. This creates more stability and gives you more control over your finances. Some months may be slower than others, which is why budgeting and emergency savings are important when working online. Over time, online work can also lead to passive income opportunities. This means earning money from work you already created, even while you are offline. Things like digital products, affiliate marketing, online courses, YouTube videos, memberships, and print-on-demand stores can continue generating income long after the original work is done. Most people start with active income first, then slowly build systems that create passive cash flow later. The most important thing to remember is that making money online is not magic. It takes patience, consistency, and realistic expectations. But if you stay focused, improve your skills, and manage your income properly, online work can become more than just extra cash. It can become a real path toward financial growth, freedom, and long-term stability. The internet is full of distractions, but it is also full of opportunities. The people winning online are not always the smartest or the luckiest. They are usually the ones who started before they felt ready and kept going, even when growth was slow. Your future income could literally start with one decision today. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.